Hello to all the lovely people out there. Today at Uselessly Useful, we bring to you an easy card game which you can play on your own called as 5 into 7 because of the way the cards are being arranged into 5 rows and 7 columns. So let's get to know the rules of the game. To play this game, you will require one standard deck consisting of 52 cards. So let's start playing. After arranging the cards into 5 rows and 7 columns, the rest of the cards you can either keep in your hands or put them down. Then I'm keeping them in my hands, and then you will open the top card and keep it down. On this card, you will form a chain of cards which are consecutive to it upwards and downwards. For example, I have a 10 over here, so I can either put 9 or a jack. Suppose I put a jack, then that's it. Once no more cards can be further added, you will open the second card. So the number which will chain up with this is card number 1. You can also form longer chains. Let's see what our third card is. So I have a 9 over here, so I can either put 10 or 8. So I'm just putting an 8 over here, so I can put 8, 7, 6. Yeah, that's it. Let's see what the other card is. Now nothing connects to it, so I will just let it be. Again, bad luck. Okay, now I have 9 and 10. The aim of the game is to finish all the cards facing up and make it 0 into 0. Once that is done, then you win. To make it more challenging, you can either pick up every second card like this or the third card like this to be used to form a chain, but this gets really tough. So initially play the simple version and then try these two. So let's finish this game so then I can explain you the point system. So I have a 2 over here, so I can connect 3, 4, 5, 6. Nothing connects with the jack. For the 6 again, nothing connects. 7, only 6 for the 5. Only 4 over here. Ace, 2. Again, no, nothing will connect. Nothing. So I have 10, jack, 10, 9, 8, 9, 8. For 3, I will have 4, 3, 2. So all the cards that were in the hands have been used. Once that is done, the game is over. So the point system. So you get negative points for all the cards that are left over here. So I will get 5, 6 and 10, minus 10. Suppose the cards over here get over first and you still have cards remaining in your hands, then you will get positive points for that. So suppose 3 cards are left, so you will get plus 3. If both the cards get over simultaneously, then you have neither won nor lost, so you are neutral. So this wraps up all the rules for us. As you can see, it was pretty simple. I'm just going to play a few games so that it becomes easier for you to grasp it. So I have arranged the card, so let's start playing. So I have 6, nothing, 9, 8. Okay, that's good. 1, 2, 6. Nothing connects with 6. King will connect over here. Nothing connects. 5. So I can either put 4 or 6. I think I'll put 6. Nothing connects. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hope I get higher number now, and I'm getting all lower numbers. 7, 8, 9, 8, 9, 10. Now I'll use this 10. Okay, so my cards are over, so I will get negative 2 plus 3, 5, plus 4, 9, plus 3, 12, plus 3, 15. So I get negative 15. I hope the other game is better than this one. In the second game, I am going to show you the tougher version in which you will flip the every third card to form the chain and not all the cards. So you will have less cards to compete against. So now I have a 5 over here, so I can put 6. That's it. 1, so I can put is this. So I can put 4, 3. Now I can either put 4 or 2. Maybe I'll put 2. 1. Again, only 2 will be put. And that's it. So as you can see, I ran out of the cards. So all these are the negative points that I scored. I'm going to show you one more version of it in the next game. The version that I'm going to show you now is really frustrating, and you really need your luck to run high in order to win at this. So the rules remain the same. The only difference is you will be connecting a black card with a red card and a red with a black. The chain formation remains the same. So here we go. So I have a spade black of 5 over here. So I will connect a red 6 over here, and this also will connect with it. So you will have to alternate basically. So over here I cannot keep this 7. I'll have to keep a red 7. So this kind of mixes rules of solitaire also. Again, I can't keep this 2 over here. It's very difficult to win this. I hope you guys are getting what I'm doing over here. So again, I can't put 7 over here. So that's it. So this is how you will play this game. So I have lost again. I don't even want to count my points. Today clearly is not my lucky day. But I hope you guys enjoyed this game as much as I do. You can write it in the comment section to let us know. And to find links of other fun games regarding cards, you can check the links in the description. Thank you so much.